Hello guys, first of all, thank you so much for purchasing this lecture and welcome back to Kali Linux. This is our first lecture to create a website. After learning from these lectures, you will be able to create a full-time responsive website for your own. So before creating a website, before designing a website, we should know about some important terms that are very useful for creating your website. So first of all, we will discuss about what is HTML and CSS. HTML is most widely used language to write web pages. HTML is a standard markup language of creating websites. HTML standard for hypertext markup language. Okay, you should know that all HTML documents must start with this type of tag. Okay, and HTML itself begin with HTML tag and ends on that HTML tag. Okay, to close any tag in HTML document, you just write /. Okay, basically your HTML document contain your HTML tag contain basically two main tags. The first one is heading and the second one is body. Your head tag includes your title of your page, and the body contains a lot of things that are shown to your page. Your body tag contain your paragraph, your headings, your form, your buttons, your descriptions, your comment box, and a lot of things that are required. So after this, now let's start how to create a front page, how to create a simple HTML page. So for this, you just create first folder and give it name web. Okay, and just create it, do not copy paste anything. And after this, go to VS Coder if you have. After this, then go to open folder, and at desktop select your folder, and you see this is your interface. So after this, just click on new file and give name web.html. After creating this, then again create a new file and give name css.html. css.html is used for designing our web HTML page. So our main concern is web.html. First of all, we learned that all HTML pages are started with doc type HTML. You just write doc type HTML, then after this save it, and now put your angle bracket and write here HTML and just click on tab. It will automatically add. Okay, after this, first thing you should know that your all coding will be between HTML tags. Okay, so after HTML, just now write your head and click, and here you give title of your page, title, title of your page. Okay, and I write Kali Linux. Okay, first of all, I want to show you this is our web page, and this is here you see web.html. Okay, when I write my head and give title it and then save, now you see our document name has been changed. So after this, now our head portion has end, and now our body portion is start. Okay, let's write your body, and then first of all we give our heading of our page. So for heading H1, here you write heading from 1 to 6. Okay, heading 1, and I write welcome to our website. Welcome to our website, and just save it, and now refresh your page. you see welcome to our website. Okay, and after this, if you want to add heading 2, just click H2, just click and write H2, and we are providing, you just write your own passage on your own paragraph that what you want to read. Okay, I just randomly read anything, something. We are providing some services, and just save it, and let's see. This is our second heading, and if you add third heading, you can add 1 to 6 headings. Okay, and now I want to write a paragraph. Just click on P and write your paragraph. In body, your H means heading, your P means paragraph. Just write any paragraph. I randomly write something here, and now save, and after refresh your page, you will see that this is our heading. Okay, now if you want that this HTML line should be lie below this, so for this you just here write BR. This means break means your line will be in this format. Okay, if you want to create any horizontal line between these passages, if I want that there should be a horizontal line between this passage, so just go here and write HR. In coding, in HTML coding, HR represents horizontal line, and just refresh your page and see the magic. Okay, this is our first lecture. This is our first introductory lesson, that what is head and what is body, and what things are needed for your head and your body. And next video will be on form and many other things, and how to create forms, how to create tables, how to create buttons, how to create your comment box, and designing of your page.